we have this example of polynomial division. 3x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus x cubed minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 1. I want you to pause the video, work it out by long division, and then we go through it together. Alright, good. You have paused, worked it out by long division. Let's go through it together. What we have here is 3x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 4. Then we have x squared, but guess what now? You need to write it out in order of powers of x and show all the powers of x. We have x to the 5th power. So we have x to the power of 5 here, x to the power of 4. The next one will be x to the power of 3, but there's no x to the power of 3 here. So we replace it, we place it here by saying 0, x to the power of 3. Alright? Then 2. So we have plus x to the 2 minus 5x to the 1 plus 6x to the 0. Alright, so we have all the powers of x. And then that is divided by x minus 1. Alright? Let me fix up the 3 here a bit. X to the 3. Alright, good. So let's go. X into 3x to the power of 5 is 3x to the power of 4. That's what you have. 3 times x to the power of 4 times x is going to be, it would be 3x to the power of 5. Right? Minus 3x to the power of 4 times negative 1. That will be negative 3 and then x to the power of 4. So you subtract. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is going to be like negative 2 plus 3. Positive. So this will be an x to the power of 4. Alright? Bring down the 0x cubed. So they have that. X into x to the 4th goes x to the 3. It's a positive x to the 3. Then after that, x to the 3 times x, which is same as x cubed times x, this gives you x to the 4th minus x cubed times negative 1. So it's going to be minus x cubed. And we subtract 0 minus negative is going to be plus. So 0 minus 0x cubed minus 1x cubed is the same as 0x cubed plus x cubed. So this is x cubed. Alright? You see that? Bring down the x squared. I didn't write the bring down part here. I drew this line out here earlier. You don't necessarily have to do that. Right? Just to show that I brought this down, but you have x squared, so bring down the x squared. See, x into x cubed will go x squared. X squared times x minus 1 is going to be x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 1 is going to be negative x squared. And you subtract 1x squared minus negative x squared minus negative 1x squared it will be like 1 plus 1. So you have 2x squared. It's 2x squared. You subtract. Bring down the negative 5x. X into 2x squared will go positive 2x times 2x times x will give you 2x squared, right? Minus, and it will be 2x times 1. It's going to be 2x, right? 2x times negative 1. Negative 2x. So you have that. So then, we continue. We subtract these. 2x squared minus itself, that's gone. Negative 5x minus negative 2. Negative 5 plus 2 is what is going to become. So it's a negative 3. So it's minus 3x. Bring down our 6 plus 6. X into negative 3x will be negative 3. Negative 3 times x minus 1 is going to be negative 3 by x, negative 3x. Negative 3 by negative 1 is plus 6. No, plus 3. Why am I writing 6? Plus 3. Let me rewrite that. Alright. So here we subtract these. What do you get? It's going to be 3. So it seems like this is what we got, and the remainder is 3. So the answer is 3x to the 4th plus x cubed plus x squared plus 2x minus 3, remainder 3. So that's what we have there.